Hola, I'm Joaninha F Correia and I'm from Timor Leste. I'm the one of participants from IMCS AP workshop in 2024. The workshop that I participated was all about human rights. During the 4 days of conference that was on 10, 11, 17, and 18 May in year of 2024, I was very happy to be selected to be participant in this workshop. However, this is the best opportunity to teach me and to show me the real meaning of human rights. In this workshop, I've made many new friends from other different countries in Asia. We also have some games such as group discussion and demonstrate in each other's identity. Furthermore, this is all about I've got and I wanna share it to others what you're gonna participate for the next year IMCS Asia at the workshop. Feel free to apply and participate in the next conference because it is one of the best opportunity to teach, to improve, and to learn about the advocacy, wider use, and making a wider use social networking. So sincerely, Joaninha F Correia, obrigada and thank you.